Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Bitcoin's roller coaster ride, the false ETF approval and market reactions, Dow and S&P's decade-long forecast to skyrocketing heights. Tesla trims driving ranges amidst EPA's new testing rules, Apple's Vision Pro, a sellout success or a stock plunge disaster. Unveiling Boeing jet vulnerabilities, Alaska Airlines emergency landing sheds light. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin battles prostate cancer. And finally, quench your curiosity with Nielsen's breakdown of beverage trends, who tops the list in soda, beer, and spirits. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we delve deeper into these headlines. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC, has refuted claims of approving Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. This comes in response to a deceptive post on social media from its official account. This incorrect information temporarily increased Bitcoin's value to $47,800. However, it subsequently fell by 1.9% to $46,200. The SEC has verified that their account was breached and emphasized that they have not yet granted approval for Bitcoin ETFs.
James Demert, who is the chief investment officer at Main Street Research, has made a prediction that the Dow Jones Industrial Average might hit 100,000 in the coming 7 to 10 years. In a similar vein, he also anticipates that both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite could surpass 15,000 and 50,000 respectively within the span of a decade. The basis for this optimistic outlook is primarily due to anticipated growth in productivity resulting from advancements in artificial intelligence.
Tesla has updated the driving range estimates for several of its models in response to modifications in the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's testing protocols. This adjustment was made following a Reuters investigation that revealed Tesla had been minimizing consumer complaints regarding vehicle driving ranges. The Model Y long range, which previously claimed a range of 330 miles, is now advertised as having a range of 310 miles on Tesla's website. This new figure takes into account real-world factors such as the use of air conditioning and aggressive driving behavior. Despite experiencing a recent drop in stock price by 13%, Tesla shares have seen an impressive surge of approximately 95% over the past year.
The latest product from Apple, named Vision Pro, is anticipated to be a hot commodity following its release on the 2nd of February. This device boasts cutting-edge mixed reality and extended reality capabilities. Ming-Chi Kuo, an analyst at ETF International Securities, predicts a rapid sellout. However, should sales fall short of projections, there could be a negative effect on Apple's stock performance in the short term. The starting price for the Vision Pro with 256 GB storage capacity is set at $3,499.
An emergency landing was executed by an Alaska Airlines flight when a cockpit door unexpectedly swung open due to rapid depressurization at an altitude of 16,000 feet. This occurrence was attributed to a design feature in the Boeing aircraft, which was not known to the crew and resulted in exposing the pilots to wind and potential access from passengers. Despite difficulties in communication, the pilots managed to land the plane safely. In response, Boeing has committed to updating its manuals with information about this particular feature.
The U.S. Defense Secretary, Lloyd Austin, is currently in the hospital due to complications arising from prostate cancer. Even though he recently suffered an infection after undergoing a prostatectomy, it's believed that his condition will not affect national security or operations abroad. The White House received information about Austin's diagnosis this past Tuesday.
According to the latest Nielsen data, Coca-Cola has surpassed PepsiCo in soft drink sales, boasting a 3.9% growth year-on-year, while PepsiCo only saw a 0.1% increase. The energy drink market also experienced an upswing of 8.4%, with Celsius Holdings notably skyrocketing by 105%. On the other hand, U.S. beer sales experienced a decline of 3.6%, and hard seltzer sales followed suit with a decrease of 12.7%. Contrarily, flavored malt beverages bucked the trend and enjoyed nearly a 12% rise in sales.
In the year 2023, Boeing successfully delivered a total of 528 commercial aircraft, thereby meeting their revised targets even in the face of manufacturing disruptions. This total comprises 396 narrow-body and 73 wide-body aircraft. However, some delays were experienced due to a manufacturing flaw from supplier Spirit AeroSystems. Despite these challenges, Boeing's backlog saw an increase from last year's figure of 5,324 to reach a new total of 5,626 planes.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay inspired, and remember the world of business never sleeps. Until next time, I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.